So this is a Yardistry 10 by 12 gazebo that we got at Costco. Just wanted to share some of the ideas that I've gotten off of the internet and things that we've done. So first off, I put in a ceiling fan, some lighting, these heaters that I'm not sure what the brand is, but there's two of them, and that helps out a lot on cool evenings. Close the curtains. And before I built this wall, we built this wall last weekend, but before this wall was built over the winter, I could probably get an increase of 10 to 14 degrees just by closing the curtains on when it wasn't windy and turning those heaters on. So that was pretty good. There's 3 video sources, 2 TVs with fire sticks, and then we just recently purchased a little $250 projector, and I get about an 85 to 90 inch picture out here. It's really not for the daytime, but late evening and nighttime it's really good. Not as good as my projector in the basement, but still more than enough to watch videos out here, YouTube, sporting events. Added an Alexa out here so that we could ask questions and get updates or play music. So that's kind of built a little privacy wall here. And then this wall was, like I said, was last week. Followed someone's instructions off of YouTube. Was pretty straightforward. Added 3 2x4s and then 2 horizontal ones, and then just some 8-inch tongue and groove, and put it up there. So we spent a lot of time out here. It's pretty nice, and just wanted to share some of the ideas so somebody else may gain some things from it. All right, that's all.